Well, hello everybody. It's Ronnie with Whip and Chain. I work with Maggie and Lauren to bring you fun crochet tutorials. And today we got a nice one. This is a dish scrubby. It's two sides hooked together. This is a great holiday one. And it's very durable. Very, very durable. It's not going to come apart. Okay, let me show you how to do this. This is not hard, so as soon as you see what we're using, don't panic. It's easy, easy, easy lemon squeezy. Here we go. All right. I'm using Tulle. Matte Tulle. Tulle. 100% polyester. I got this at Hobby Lobby. Of course, my favorite place. Believe it or not, Christmas colors are on sale. $1.99. Crazy. This is 6 inches wide, and this one's only 25 yards. But out of 25 yards, you get, depending on what size hook you use, maybe 3 to 5 scrubbies out of them, which is great. This stuff is very durable. As you can see, the one that I opened. See if you can. It works great for dishes. Very, very good. I'm totally impressed with this one. Okay. So I am recommending a size 6mm crochet hook because you need a little bigger hook to be able to play with this, because if you try to crochet it tight, it's just not going to work out for you. So get some knot yarn, some tulle ready. And what I do is I just squeeze it together. All right, that's all. But actually, I'm going to make my other half. I think I'm going to do green. Yeah, I change my mind sometimes. So this piece that I'm showing you how to make, you need two. You can do same colors, different colors, whatever you choose. Okay. You do need to start this project with a magic ring, magic circle. And if you struggle with them, please ask Maggie to tag the 2 tutorials that I have on how to make the magic circles, or magic rings as some people call them. All right, I'll wrap it around my finger, normal, and do my magic circle. You do want to leave a tail, because this material can come off very easy. So with the magic ring, you chain 1, but I need you to chain a second one, just like that. Then in this circle, I want you to put in 12 double crochets and play loose. Do not try to do this tightly. It's not going to cooperate if you try to do it tightly. That's 2. Three. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 'I got my tail hooked in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 and 12. If you ever have something not going off the camera. When you got your 12, snug this a little tight and slip stitch to your first full double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my first one. And loose. Okay. Do not worry about this tail. Okay. Chain 2. Loose. Remember, loose. And put 2 double crochets in that first one. It's 1 and 2. You might have to keep reminding yourself. You have to stay loose. Okay. So in every stitch, I want you to put in 2 double crochets. And I will see you just 2 double crochets. Do not tie off right now in every stitch. And I'll see you at the end of this round. Okay. Now, when you make these, you're going to make 2 of them, okay? You can make them any colors you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing. You can use white. You can the rainbow. Surprise me. 1, you tie off. You do not have to weave in your ends. Don't stress about that kind of stuff. The second one, do not tie off. But I do want you to put your hook through like you are going to tie off, but you're not. You know how you would join to the first stitch? So you take your first one and just scrunch that right in the middle. And it's nice because this gives your Scrubby a little more thickness in the middle, which is great. So you make sure you put the back ends together. Don't do it that way. You want the right sides out. Okay. And then just start where you want to. Go through one of your double crochets. You take your tool, you grab it, bring it through, and you slip stitch. And you chain 1. If you guys are having trouble seeing my videos with the light coming through, the sun, let me know and I will start shutting that curtain when I'm doing videos when it's really bright out. Let me know your opinion. Let us know in the comments. So then all you do is you go through each top stitch, front to back, you slip stitch, but then you chain 1. So you keep doing that all the way around and chain 1. Okay. In, slip stitch, chain 1. And the other thing, if you guys like working with this tool and there's more different Scrubby patterns you want to see, let me know. I'll be happy to even design a few. I love designing, but I want to know what you want to see. What you want to see is exactly what I want to make and do videos for. I love these requests. You have no idea how happy it makes me. And someone posted on our Facebook page, they're beautiful, absolutely beautiful grunge scarf that they made using my pattern that I put up. That was my pattern, my little additions to it that I loved. They did, I like the way they did their mouth better on theirs than I did on mine. And that's why I love when you show us your versions of what I show you, because it gives me ideas and different ways I can do things too, which is great. So you're just going through, but make sure you take your time and make sure you do that chain 1 before you go into the next space. Very important. So there's no set amount on your size hooks. You can use any size hook that you want. You can give it a handle like I did on mine or not. I will show you how to do the handle in case you are interested in that. And as you're going around, remember to tuck in your ends so they're not sticking out. And I like the fact that you can do that because it does give the Scrubby just a little more thickness. And what else is really neat? The only end that you really need to tie in is this one on the outside. Okay. Like I said, just take your time going around. By doing this slip stitch and the chain one, it really gives it a beautiful edge. Okay, I only have one stitch left, so chain as many as you want. I think I did 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, then you go into your last stitch, pull it through, make sure it's as tight as you can, chain one, and I'm slipping it into my very first. There's my first. If I can get at the bottom of it. There we go. Okay, and chain one, and then you cut off, pull through, and get rid of this tool so it don't go flying everywhere in directions I don't want it to go. There we go. Now, this is where having that's a big one. I definitely have to get a different holder for my pins. Anyway, so I don't have to worry about putting tool through a pin, darning needle. So what you can do, you can stuff it down one of these holes that should let you in. There we go. And because I already chained one, it's not gonna use. So here is my red one with the green, And then I have my green one with the red outline. And it's a fun, fun project. I would love to see yours. So if you make these, can you come please join us on Facebook under WIP for Work in Progress and Chain, and post what you're making, even if it's not a tutorial that I did one for. And also, can you help us out by hitting that like and subscribe button at the bottom? We greatly appreciate it. Till next time, myself, Maggie, and Lauren say thank you for watching our tutorials. It really helps us. Happy holidays, everybody.